Hey guys, so this is kind of a part 2 of 7.1. We're going to just add in some algebra stuff to this section. So an algebra equation like x cubed plus x squared plus 4 equals 0 cannot be solved using techniques we learned without a calculator. However, you should be able to answer the following questions. So of course, what it means by not a calculator is, guys, we don't know how to factor this to be able to solve algebraically. So usually we go in our calculator and we graph it and then we find where they intersect. And of course, because it's equals 0 right now, it's where it crosses the x-axis, okay? So let's do some algebra warm-up. In this case, we can check if something is a solution just by plugging in. So here we would say -2 cubed plus -2 squared plus 4 equals 0. Now I'm going to do this without a calculator, so I have to do some of these calculations in my head. -2 times -2 times -2 is -8. -2 times -2 is a +4. And as you can see right now, if I manipulate or calculate, I guess, the left side, you will see that this cancels and we go 0 equals 0. So check. Yes. -2, x equals -2, is a solution of x cubed plus x squared plus 4 equals 0. Okay. By the way, I also want to add to this part. As you can see, not only did I just say, yes, it is a solution, I said, yes, particularly what is a solution and what is it a solution to, okay? So when we start writing sentences and everything, you want to make sure you're not using the word it. You're actually describing every part. Okay, that was a side note. So let's go to example 5. Is y equals 1/2 x e to the x plus e to the negative x a solution of the differential equation y prime equals e to the x minus y? This is not our separated differentiable, okay? The dx over dy stuff, or dy over dx, sorry. Now, one thing is because we are just checking a solution, so we don't need to do all that separate stuff. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take the derivative of our function that we already have, and then we're actually going to set things equal to each other and see if it comes out to a true statement. Okay, so here I'm going to take the derivative. I get y prime equals 1/2 e to the x, right? And then the derivative of e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x. Now, what I can do is set these two equal to each other since they both equal y prime. So I'm going to say 1/2 e to the x minus e to the negative x equals e to the x minus y. Well, of course, we have y value, right? So let's plug in that y because our y is right here. So next step, I would say 1/2 e to the x minus, no, plus, minus e to the negative x equals e to the x. Now be careful here because we're subtracting all of y. So we're subtracting parentheses 1/2 e to the x plus e to the negative x. Sorry, guys. All right, let's continue. Okay, I'm going to distribute next. I'm doing every step by step so you can see how my algebra comes out. So we get e to the x minus 1/2 e to the x minus e to the negative x. All right. If we see here, guys, these two would cancel, right? Because I could add it onto the one side and we get 0. So what I'm going to do right now is add this 1/2 to the other side. Well, a half and a half is a whole. Okay, that's me moving this one over, okay? Equals, and what's left on the right side? E to the x. So yes, y equals 1/2 e to the x plus e to the negative x is a solution of y prime equals e to the x minus. Okay. There we go. Do some practice. Take your time.